I know I made a video some time ago telling you how you can support me on YouTube. You can support me through this journey. And guess what? Today I'm doing another video. Like the support you were giving me is absolutely different from the one you'll be giving me now that I have monetized. Yes, now that I've been monetized, there's a lot of things you need to help me do to help push this channel forward. Okay, so one of those things is that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit on the red button and join the family, because here we have lots of fun with makeup, fitness, and anything you are interested in. Yes guys, so this video is all about support, how we can support each other as upcoming YouTubers, and the support which is required for monetized channel. A monetized channel is a channel that has ads running on its videos. You have the example, probably before you started this video you saw an ad running through the video. That's how we identify a monetized channel. Before I started YouTube, I didn't know anything about a monetized channel. I used to just see some channels having ads and I didn't know what they were all about. I just knew that they were kind of like, I don't know, I can't even explain. I thought maybe probably because they were very big and so on. But before you get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And trust me girl, to attain that 4,000 watch hours is not something easy. And once you've attained it and you meet all the other YT requirements, then you qualify for monetization. And after you monetize, what next? You have ads on your videos, and these ads are placed by companies, producers, you know, all that. And the way they will pay you is if people view these ads. If people skip the ads, they'll pay you, but you'll be a very minor sum. Okay, and the pay actually depends on a number of factors: where your views are coming from, what your content is all about, and all that. So guys, to help us this upcoming YouTubers, to help us the small YouTubers, help us by watching the ads. I know back home we always complain of data situation. Yes, I know, I understand for you guys, but if you are aware data is not a problem for you, you have no reason to skip an ad for a small YouTuber, because this is the only way we will take, you know, to kind of like progress in this journey. So guys, if you are supporting me, if you are a supporter of Viana's beauty channel, I just want to encourage you to watch my ads, not to skip my ads. And again, I want to emphasize on my fellow YouTubers, because we are the ones who understand the game. Okay, by the way, don't mind me putting on this code, like it's so damn cold. What did I say? It's F code where I am right now, but I had to do this video to sensitize all my lovely people, my supporters, of the importance of how to support me now that I'm monetized. And before I go further, I really want to thank everybody who has contributed to the growth of this family. Every one of my subscribers, I love you so much. I am here because of you, and I wouldn't come this far because of you. So please keep the support coming. And if you are a YouTuber, as I was saying, it's important because we are the ones who understand each other. Sometimes our family and friends just skip the ads, they don't share our work, not because they don't want to, but because they don't understand the importance, they don't understand how it is being done. That's why I always find it important to kind of do this sensitization videos. Like when I started YouTube, and my family and friends, they didn't know how to subscribe to my channel, but due to the video I made of how to support me, I saw a great change in my channel because they started doing it the right way. That's why I'm making this video today. So as a fellow YouTuber, you yourself do unto others what you want them to do unto you. Even if you are not monetized yet, and you know that you will monetize someday in the future. When you monetize, how do you want people to view you? How do you want your fellow YouTuber to support you? Of course, it's by watching your ads, watching your videos, and sharing your videos. For those who have above 1,000 subscribers, you have what's called the community tab. You don't pay to post on this tab. People will go for days without posting a video, without posting a picture, without posting anything on their tab, but they have fellow YouTubers content which they can share on their tabs. This is just a minor something you can do. Now, sharing links on your tab is very important, because even if you don't get the likes, it gives that person exposure. You understand? When you share somebody, like if you come to my tab, you discover a lot of links. You see a lot of links there. I share people's links a lot. Sometimes I can just get overwhelmed, I can forget, but which takes me to the next point. If you are doing support for someone and it's been a while you've not seen that person, don't just give up and say I'm supporting her, she's not supporting me. I usually go like 1, 2, 3 times. If you don't come, I call your attention, and if you don't come, yes, we call it quits. That's how you should do it. So many people have somebody like, is it just Lydia, or yeah, I think just Lydia, she once caught my attention that you've not been to her channel, and honestly I hadn't been to her channel as well. And another person, I've forgotten her channel name. So yeah, guys, you can do that. You can always visit someone, and if they've not been visiting you, just call their attention. Sometimes YT forgets to send the notification, and sometimes they might send the notification and it just gets mixed up with the thousands of other notifications that come into the phone. So as fellow YouTubers, it's we have to make this happen. We are the ones to push ourselves up there, because most of the times our families and friends, they don't know how to do it. They don't know the importance of watching ads, and no matter how you tell them, they might just get impatient to watch the ads. So it's us fellow YouTubers who understand the need of watching an ad, who understand the importance of an ad, that have to watch the ads. Then I believe so our fellow families and friends can then follow suit. So I also want to encourage us to keep upgrading on our content. Sometimes it can get discouraging, because you keep putting in all this effort, and especially if you monetize, you're not seeing the money coming, or you're not seeing your channel growing, you're not seeing your new subscribers coming along. One day, yeah, I'm taking a break for you to just conclude what I want to say. One day your shine will come. One day you will make it. One day it will happen. So just keep on doing you. And again, if you're a small YouTuber and you haven't monetized yet, I want to call your attention to this, because mostly when you get monetized without having the knowledge about this, you can get depressed, you can get discouraged, and you can stop uploading content. Now when you monetize, that's when the real work starts. That's when you have to put in more energy, because when you monetize, you will not see a dime if you don't have enough views, if you don't have enough content. Now when I monetize, instead I slacked down, because a lot of things came into place in my life, and I am finding it difficult to have a balance. So the amount of money like I'm making, I think I have a video already where I showed you, I walked you through my analytics. It's kind of like small compared to what other YouTubers are making, which can be depressing, which can make you not to keep putting in the effort you were putting in before. Yes, just keep doing you. We are praying that one day things will get better. So that's what I have for you today. Please don't skip our ads. For fellow YouTubers who have tabs, you can share. Even if you are not a YouTuber and you have other social media platforms, you can share our videos on your social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram. Share with your friends. If I upload a lot of weight loss content, if it touches you, if it's something you've learned from, please help me share and make this channel go to the next level. Okay, thank you so much. Let me know down below what you're doing to grow your channel, because as for me, I just feel like this is the highest way you can have exposure by people helping to share your channel. So guys, let me know down below what you're doing to grow your channel and how you feel when people skip your ads or people don't give you the support that you need. And I'll not end this video without shouting out my members like Sandra Gaye. Thank you so much. I think she's the only YouTuber member I have. Guys, if you can, why not join my member? Let's do this together. I love you so much, Sandra Gaye. And for all my members, my husband too was the first member I had. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me right up to this end. And any other member I have, I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. I'm looking at myself now. I'm not looking at the lens.